going to do today is we're going to close up all the ends. So we've got nailers and it gives us some kind of structure. All these open ends are going to be filled today. And then we're going to put the fascia on. That's the plan. On these headers, did you? Well, it wasn't that difficult. Quick adapter, right?
Okay.
You put different bits in it, just gives you a little bit more extension so you can get it in the tight places. Pretty precision cutting, eh? That's pretty good.
I know.
Not half blind, guys.
Well, I'm not half blind today.
You're doing good.
Well, I drank a bottle of vodka this morning. It probably helps. No, I didn't.
Every morning.
Oh my God! 5 for 5. Can you believe that? I have redeemed myself.
Uh-oh. Which one gonna fall off now? Look out, everyone!
Only have one word for you. I got the Sawzall here.
Alright. Well, we have to make more, we'll make more.
Yeah, yeah.
If we get solid like them solid ones, there is a groove in them, but if you put them both the groove to the inside,
Yeah.
it should be.
No, there's nothing wrong with that.
No, well, we're just tying these vertical supports with one of these, tying them together.
Sure. Here you go. Here it keeps
We could do like a 45, like a hairy.
right over top of those ones.
Over top of these ones. Because we got enough of them, we got enough pallets. And if we just have to do this wall and this wall, that's not that much, right? We'll use
Horrible.
like if we got enough 3/4 inch, we'll do the whole thing.
Yeah.
But the floor's got to be done first. And
Oh, yeah.
And then
And then these two walls.
These
That
two
was
walls.
because you're going to have something off of that wall, so you need that wall as strong as possible.
Well, that header's going to help that wall.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And that building is going to help that wall because
Yeah.
we'll have it secured. We're going to have some posts. Put the windows in.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got to go over to. I got to drop by Daryl because he's got a bunch of J molding. So we'll put the J molding in and then we can start siding. We'll have to today if we get the fascias on today. Get the rest of this little nitpicky stuff done today. That'll be a good project for today.
Yeah.
So when we come out next time, we can start putting siding on.
Yep.
And
Okay, right on the end.
yep.
Come on, old guy. You only fall once. Hey, come on, tighten that up.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. That one's got to be. Make me look bad now. It's not hard to do. What should be?
He's 1 inch too short.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I think it's 167 and 3/8. Needs to be about one more.
Wow.
35.
You got 4 12-footers and one that was a 16 that isn't a 16.
Oh, that's gonna work perfect. The fascia?
Right. Yeah.
2 feet. Thank you.
He goes, Lucy. He goes, your dog named Lucy too? He says, yeah. It's a chocolate lab. Her name is Lucy. I said, yeah, I got a black lab at home named Lucy.
Okay, how is this one gonna fit up? This one's way better. Yeah, it's not quite as. It does. It looks bad. I wouldn't lie to you much. You'd lie every chance you get. 30-inch garlic. Bullshit.
No, that is the truth, Keith. It's 30 and a quarter inches.
Oh, now it's a quarter inch.
Well, some are, some aren't. Oh, okay, you did. I thought that was. Okay, never mind.
No,
I know, it's a little less.
it's way less. Well, 3/4 of an inch less.
So 23 and a quarter?
Yeah, these boards.
23 and a quarter. Your number.
23 and a quarter.
Hear that, Yvonne? Fits. 1 out of 4,000 isn't bad. I can handle it. I've been working with you long enough. I can handle anything.
Live by the sword, die
I by the sword, you betcha. You could be the business end one of these times.
I'd do it if you really want the pressure.
I can handle it. I can take it. To the outside, to the outside.
153 3/4.
Oh. Yeah, well, the long one will work in the front. Wasn't it 160 or something?
153
3/4.
Here, let's measure that again.
Add a half an inch to that. I don't think we got enough there.
Yeah, we do.
Do we? Really?
153 3/4.
Huh. You measure it, I'll cut it. Right there.
We'll just fill in each bank.
Yeah.
You know, because might have to add a board here or there. But we'll see how it goes.
Let's have a look.
That'll be all right. That'll be all right.
Hang on. Don't do that one until we get this one. Here.
Lost it that back.
Oh, do or was.
It's not as bad as I thought it was. We're just trying to figure out how to board the fascia in here.
Extra thickness here. It's the same thickness all the way to here.
Yeah,
That's where it's gonna.
yeah.
You might have to put a thin one in there right here
yeah,
and right there just to level it off.
or might have to take that from board.
Try it and see if it's really better. putting up soffit base using repurposed pellets. Actually looks really good. We got our videographer is helping out. And the brother's just going to town.
It was alright?
Here we go, soffit in the front is almost done. It actually looks really, really good. Surprised this is gonna fit, Keith? Is that last piece gonna fit?
I think so.
Oh my God.
That never happened.
I know that.
That never happened.
See, we planned that, didn't we, Keith?
Sure.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, that was planned. We
Right.
took exact measurements, divided it by the thickness of the width of those boards and the number of boards. If you believe that, I have a bridge in Brooklyn to sell you. Okay, here goes the last piece. And this happened by accident. We did not plan this. Look at that, perfect. We went across this whole span and it fit perfect from one end to the other.
Well, you can go up north there and they'll guide it and they'll come to you on 50 inch.